So, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to another video of me doing a presentation in English for this assignment. So, I am going to talk about this part. This is a chapter 1 basic. So, here we go. First lab, the access for a macrotic. So, to begin your configuration, we have to actually connect the macrotic. What macrotic? So we have to connect it, and you have to go in for the access of macrotic, and then there's some method to actually access the macrotic. This is some of them. This is some application that you can use, so you can actually go in your router. So this is it. We got Winbox, Webfig, Telnet, and SSH. So there you go. And then yeah, so the first thing is Winbox. Right here we have the method of Winbox. You can actually go to the microtik.com, and then the first thing you want to do is actually connect your laptop to your router and using the LAN cable. And then in this step you have to actually access the router. You have to make sure that it is connected to the router. So the first thing you can do is just actually click the neighbor and then the refresh. So there you go. You can see the image right here. You have to click. Once you actually go in the Winbox, you have to click the refresh button. You have to go to the neighbor and then click the refresh button. After that, there's gonna be a MAC address router that is actually going to exist right here. There you go. And then just use the MAC address to enter the router. You can actually do that and then connect. So after you actually connect to the router, you're gonna have this display right here. There you go. So via Winbox, so it's via IP address. Winbox via IP address. So you have to actually make your own IP address. And what better way to do that is actually to use uh your own your own IP. It doesn't actually they don't show how to do it, but you can actually go to this menu right here. You can go to this the IP, and then there's gonna be a choice for an address, and you can actually make your own address right there, and then you can actually go disconnect it, and then you can actually you can actually enter the router with that IP. So this is through the webfig. It is one of the method to enter the router OS on Microtik, and then it used the browser. So this is the browser for you to actually access the webfig. There you go. You can actually type in your IP right there, and then it's gonna have this display right here. So the third one is telnet. So this telnet is actually okay. So the telnet default here, the function of the default of telnet is actually work when it is in the condition that is on an off condition. So it's non-activated condition. So and then you have to actually activate it first. Activate the telnet first, and then turn Windows features on or off on the Windows search bar, and then click that menu. And you can see here, you can actually do the checks right there, and then just okay with it, and then do some right here some prompt, enter some prompt, and then boom, you can see right there. So then you can the fourth one